In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your form to Google Tag Manager through Typeform's Connect tab and set up Google Ads conversion tracking. We're going to walk through the full process in a simple and practical way so your form submissions can be tracked properly as conversions. This is especially useful if you're running Google Ads and want to measure when someone completes your Typeform. To begin, open your Typeform and go to the Connect tab. This is where Typeform lets you connect your form with other tools and tracking platforms. Look for the option to connect with Google Tag Manager and complete that connection. This step is important because it allows Typeform to send submission events in a way that Google Tag Manager can recognize and use. Once that's connected, move over to your Google Tag Manager account and open the correct container for your website. From there, create a new tag. For the tag type, choose Google Ads Conversion Tracking. This tag is what will send the conversion data to your Google Ads account whenever someone submits the form. Next, you'll need to enter your conversion ID and conversion label. These values come directly from your Google Ads conversion action, so make sure you copy them exactly as provided. The conversion ID tells Google which account the conversion belongs to, and the conversion label identifies the specific conversion action you want to track. Accuracy matters here, because even a small mistake can prevent conversions from being recorded correctly. After that, set up the trigger for the tag. You want this tag to fire only when the form has actually been submitted, so choose a custom event trigger and use the event name Typeform Submit. This tells Google Tag Manager to listen for the Typeform submission event and fire the Google Ads conversion tag at that moment. Using the correct event name is essential, since the trigger won't work if the spelling doesn't match exactly. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to review your tag and trigger settings to make sure everything is connected properly. Confirm that the Google Ads conversion tag is using the right ID and label, and that the trigger is set to the custom event Typeform Submit. When everything looks good, publish your Google Tag Manager container. Publishing makes your changes live, which means your conversion tracking setup will start working on your website. Once published, your Typeform submissions can now be tracked as Google Ads conversions through Google Tag Manager, giving you clearer insight into how your campaigns are performing.